as you can see, despite being quite small, these vehicles are more than capable of carrying 2 passengers and a driver.
Hey, Keiko.
You can see there we've got little John, the little roller just going past us right now. Unfortunately, the information book has been taken away. But these extremely small steam engines still capable of hauling a passenger and of course a trailer around the arena here. And there is a we've had a wording request, and that's Barry Bun to the beer tent. Barry Bun to the beer tent. Barry Eugenia is also in the commentary box.
Wonder if we've got any cider in there. That'd be nice.
We do fancy some bargains with the tools. We do have Millhouse tools now. Millhouse tools are just back in the commentary box with the car washing brushes in the air. And now the Millhouse tools team
very good doggy
to serve you with their wide range of quality tools, cleaning products. They also do the full auto-glazing range at Millhouse tools there, along with car washing brushes, quality. Various items of tools. I've bought tools from there for many years now, and they are all exceptional quality. To go see them there at Millhouse Tools, Tony is there, more than happy to talk tools all day long.
That's a proper steam tractor there.
So we are going to be welcoming large steam into the arena within the next few minutes. If you do piloting one of the large steam engines, please ensure that you've got somebody walking in front of you as you make your way to the arena. So large steam will be entering the arena within the next few minutes.
Yeah. Yeah, 66 plate, so it's quite new. Yeah. There we go. There's a steam bus from Whitby. An electric lorry. We're struggling a bit.
Around 10 minutes time, we're going to be welcoming large team into the arena. They're going to be getting their pressure up, ready to join us here in the arena. And really to see them making their way back to their safety positions. Very much like when the arena was open. You're quite welcome to go and see them when they're in their safety positions. So as the steam engine make their way into the arena. I'm going to hand you over to Derek Rayner, who knows these steam engines inside and out.
Other end of the cylinder, and it's easily then differentiated from the other. My roller, White Rose, is now coming past me. 8506 of 1915 to Marlborough, Messrs. Free, Marlborough and Wiltshire, and worked for quite a long time for AM Coles at Sleaford before coming to the West Riding before the last war. It was purchased in 1964 by the White Rose Steam Traction Company, myself, Lyndon Sherman and John Charlesworth, and I've therefore been the owner of that machine and owner of the machine since 1964, which in anybody's terms is probably quite a long time ago now. David Hare's Evelyn roller, 8754, was built in one North Yorkshire machine, which worked from new with a firm of Turners at Lazenby, not far from Middlesbrough. The BB ploughing engine coming along behind is driven by a gentleman we all know as Sparky. His proper name is Gordon, but he always is referred to as Sparky. He's been into ploughing engines for many years. It's got a Lincolnshire registration which indicates that it was worked in Lincolnshire in the 1920s when every machine had to have a registration, and this one at that time was owned by Wards at Carrington Grange, not far from Freshville, where Robert Crawford used to live before he died 2 or 3 years ago. The Evelyn roller, heading towards the commentary point at the moment, is one which was supplied to Staffordshire, and it belonged originally to Lichfield Corporation. It's now owned by Laurie Fletcher and daughter and co, and it was built in 1916. It's now called Old Faithful, which was what it is of course, an Old Faithful roller. For the Staffordshire registration, which is the letter E, and therefore, along with many other rollers that belonged in Staffordshire to various other district councils and county councils, came under the control of the county council in Staffordshire in the 1930s, when there was a major reorganisation of engines and local authorities into the control of the county council. 1930 time, they actually changed back to slide valves, which were a better type of machine, because various drivers at the time couldn't get on with the piston valves because they were spring loaded and they were subject to failure and consequently bent crankshafts, which meant an expensive repair, of course. It says I'm young on the canopy, on the awning. This one was actually manufactured in recent times, as late as 2007. It's a replica of a Foster tractor that was made by 1917. It's a type TE2, which means it's a hauling and winding engine originally. Most of the TE2s were supplied into the military for gun haulage and for other major works in that respect in the middle of the First World War. This one, I believe, was owned at one time by Coles at Sleaford, and I remember seeing that one in 1963 at a place called Horbury in Ossett, where it was taking place in a carnival procession, owned by someone local who lived near Doncaster, subsequently owned by a family down in Cambridgeshire, and passing to John Selby and his father from North Lincolnshire, Epworth, it says on the canopy side.